Ever wondered about the health benefits of those tiny, aromatic and almost spear-shaped spices known as cloves? Well, you're in for a treat as we delve into the fascinating world of this remarkable spice. Cloves, with their strong aroma and pungent taste, are a staple in kitchens around the globe. From adding a kick to your pumpkin pie to enlivening your favorite curry, their unique flavor profile is truly irreplaceable. But their use isn't confined to the culinary world. For centuries, traditional medicine has championed cloves for their health benefits. Originating from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, these little wonders have journeyed across oceans and continents, making their way into medicine cabinets and spice racks alike. And it's not just their taste that's impressive. These tiny spices are a powerhouse of health benefits. So if you're wondering how cloves can contribute to your well-being, stick around. Stick around if you're curious about how these tiny spices can pack a punch when it comes to promoting good health. First off, let's dive into how cloves can aid in digestive health. Cloves have been used for centuries as a potent remedy for various digestive disorders. They contain certain essential oils that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, enhancing your digestion process. With a smoother digestion, nutrients from your food are absorbed more efficiently, leading to overall better health. But that's not all. Cloves are also known to be extremely beneficial in alleviating common digestive issues. Ever had that uncomfortable feeling of bloating or indigestion after a hearty meal? Cloves could be your natural solution. They can effectively reduce gas in the gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from bloating and stomach upsets. Moreover, their warming properties can soothe your stomach lining and reduce the severity of stomach cramps. A pinch of ground cloves in your meals can go a long way in maintaining a healthy digestive system. So next time you have a stomach upset, you might want to reach out for some cloves. Moving on, did you know that cloves can also be beneficial for respiratory health? For centuries, these powerful little spice buds have been used in traditional medicine to ease respiratory conditions. From the common cold to bronchitis, cloves have a unique role to play in our health. Cloves possess a characteristic known as expectorant property. Now you might wonder what that is. Simply put, an expectorant aids in loosening and clearing mucus and phlegm from the respiratory tract. This means that it can help clear your airways, making it easier for you to breathe. This property makes cloves a great natural remedy for a host of respiratory issues, including asthma, coughs, colds, and sinusitis. Moreover, the eugenol found in cloves has been known to have anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and fight off viruses that cause respiratory infections. Indeed, cloves can serve as a natural remedy for coughs and colds. Now let's talk about the antioxidant properties of cloves. Cloves, these tiny aromatic spice buds, are a treasure chest of antioxidants. These antioxidants are nature's way of providing your cells with adequate defense against attack by reactive oxygen species or free radicals. Packed full of protective compounds, cloves help your body to halt the oxidative damage that these free radicals can cause. When your body processes certain foods and reacts to the environment, free radicals are produced. These can lead to large chain chemical reactions within your body because they interact so easily with other molecules. This is where the antioxidant properties of cloves come into play. They effectively neutralize these free radicals, helping to prevent cell damage and a range of diseases. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining good health. They play a protective role helping your body to fend off harmful bacteria and viruses. With cloves in your diet, you're equipping your body with a powerful tool to maintain good health. Clearly, cloves are not just a spice, they are also a powerhouse of antioxidants. Did you ever think that cloves could be beneficial for your oral health? Well, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. These tiny aromatic powerhouses are packed with properties that can effectively help soothe toothaches and combat bad breath. You see, cloves contain a compound called eugenol. This natural anesthetic helps numb and reduce pain, bringing immediate relief from toothaches. So the next time you have a toothache, you might want to reach for a clove instead of that painkiller. But the benefits of cloves go beyond just pain relief. They're also excellent at freshening up your breath. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that can help fight oral infections and reduce bacteria, the culprits behind bad breath. Moreover, they can also help in maintaining overall oral hygiene by preventing the formation of plaque and tackling gum diseases. So, cloves might just be the secret to that fresh breath you've been seeking. Well, the list of health benefits from cloves doesn't end there. Let's delve into a few more remarkable benefits of these aromatic spice buds. For starters, cloves are known to assist in controlling diabetes. They contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial addition to the diet of those managing this condition. Moving on, cloves also play a significant role in bone preservation. They are rich in manganese, a mineral that contributes to bone health and helps in the creation of essential enzymes for building bones. So, if you're looking to keep your skeleton robust, cloves could be your new best friend. Now let's talk liver protection. Cloves are packed with beneficial compounds, including eugenol and nigericin, which are known to help protect the liver against disease. These compounds can promote liver health and reduce inflammation, providing an overall boost to this vital organ's functionality. Speaking of inflammation, cloves have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Their high eugenol content can reduce inflammation throughout your body, making them an excellent choice for those dealing with conditions like arthritis. But don't just take my word for it. Numerous studies back these claims, showing that cloves can indeed provide these health benefits, among others. Of course, as with any food or supplement, it's essential to consume cloves in moderation. Too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to adverse effects, so it's best to incorporate them into your diet slowly and in small amounts. In summary, cloves are not just a flavorful addition to your meals, they are also loaded with numerous health benefits. Incorporating them into your diet could surely spice things up for your health. So the next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, remember to sprinkle in some cloves for that extra health kick. After all, good health is the greatest wealth we can possess, and it's time to invest in it with the help of these little power-packed spice buds.